In this channel we will review about Realme t300 earbuds. This earbud is newly launched and I am using it from 2 months. Let's talk about its build quality. It has plastic build, but it looks like premium build, like metal, because of its matte finish. You can check this. If you talk about battery backup, it gives us a 40 hours battery backup and 30 decibel noise cancellation. It promises. So let's check its sound quality. And if we talk about how it's fit in our ears, so it feels comfortable. If we talk about its bass is very clear and crispy. You can look, if you wear this, you can look premium. And when you put inside, this is automatically off. If we talk about its competitor, so we have Oppo and Co, OnePlus CMF, but its quality is very good, and I definitely recommend these buds to you.